Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reach max level in Pro Clubs. To achieve the highest level, you must consistently earn experience points through various in-game activities. Your player's performance in matches, reflected by your match rating, is a primary factor. Additionally, engaging with and completing the diverse skill game challenges available will provide a substantial boost to your overall progression. Let's dive into the specifics of how to optimize your journey. Your match rating is paramount for gaining experience. Aim for a rating of 7.0 or higher in every game. Performing actions relevant to your position, such as accurate passes for midfielders or crucial saves for goalkeepers, significantly increases this score. Conversely, errors like missed tackles or poor decision-making can lower it. Focus on consistent, positive contributions throughout the entire 90 minutes of play. Beyond matches, skill games are an excellent, often overlooked source of experience. There are typically around 20 to 30 different skill games, each offering unique challenges. Completing them, especially achieving high scores like an A or B grade, provides a significant one-time experience bonus. Regularly revisiting these games can also help you hone your skills, which indirectly improves your match performance and, consequently, your experience gain. Playing with a consistent group of teammates can greatly accelerate your leveling. Familiarity with your team's playstyle leads to better coordination and higher match ratings for everyone. Aim to play at least 3 to 5 matches daily to maintain a steady experience income. Remember, individual brilliance is good, but effective teamwork often results in more wins and, ultimately, more experience for your virtual pro. Consistency is truly key.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.